Philadelphia law firm has filed a class action lawsuit against toy maker Mattel. This comes just days after a huge recall of millions of Chinese-made toys tainted with lead paint. Joining us now is Jeffrey Colino, who filed suit yesterday. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Chanel.
Well, when we started reporting this story, I guess I just figured it would be a matter of time before we started seeing lawsuits. What's your goal here? Is it money? Is it to get Mattel to do something?
Our goal is to have Mattel take responsibility for putting lead-painted toys into children's hands. Although they've conducted a recall, and although we've had an apology from Bob Eckert, we need them to step up to the plate and allow lead blood testing to be done for all children who have been in contact with these toys. Let's get a blood test for these kids, make sure they're safe.
Well, Mattel is known for being strict, more so than other companies. So at this point, though, you're just going after Mattel. And then would it be money for the parents, or is it strictly just testing? How would parents even benefit from this lawsuit in addition to the testing?
You know, we speak to parents every day about this. They are so upset. They pay extra and they pay more to buy toys from a major company like Mattel. They are so let down by the fact that this major toy manufacturer can allow lead-painted toys to come into their children's hands. This isn't about money for the families. They are concerned about the health and safety of their children, America's children, and the children of the world. They simply want Mattel to do what's right. Pay for lead testing for all of the children who've come in contact with these dangerous toys. Then we can move forward. Some children may need immediate medical attention, others may be fine.
Well, let's just say, okay, take off your attorney hat on your side for a second and play like you're an attorney for Mattel. What do you think lawyers on their side will argue? Do you really think you can win a judgment against the world's, biggest toy maker? Because as far as their, managers say, they've done everything they can.
If Mattel, the largest toy manufacturer in the world, has done everything they can, then how have millions of toys with lead paint made it into children's hands? They haven't done everything they can. And if I take my lawyer hat off for just 1 second and think like a citizen, like a parent, and I were sitting on the jury, if Mattel goes ahead and puts a lead-painted toy in a child's hand, shouldn't Mattel pay for that child to have a lead test? And that's why we'll win. That's why we'll get a judgment against Mattel. This is good common sense. This is right. This is moral. This is ethical.
We can tell you're certainly passionate about it. Attorney Jeffrey Colino, thank you for coming in, and then keep us posted.
My pleasure.
And we should mention for everyone at home, if you want to see a list of recently recalled toys or for more information on this class action lawsuit, just go to myfoxphilly.com. You'll find everything you need to know on the site.